Take 6. Hi everyone, Teresa Louise here. Yeah, so this is my 6th time trying to record this video. I can't remember who it was out there that made a comment that said I should do a bloopers. And I think she's right. I said, well, I do a bloopers every time I do a video. All right, so why am I here today? To show you my Creative Notion subscription package. That's what I'm supposed to be doing. This month it came to me in a box with other items that I received. So I'm not going to be able to open it the normal way I do. So this is going to be a little bit different. But I still wanted to share everything with you. Share the joy. For those of you who don't know, Creative Notions does a monthly subscription package, typically, quilting items, and every month they do a theme, and this month is Homemade Happiness, which is super cute. So let me show you. And it's by, and I can't pronounce her name. I don't even want to try to. I'll just butcher it. So, but it's still really cute. And then we had a bunch of winners too. I'll show you that. Awesome. And I think they win fabric, like a jelly roll or something like that. I'm not real sure. If you go to the Facebook Creative Notions Facebook group, I'm sure it's shared on there. Okay, let's get started. First I want to just say that they had a correction on the pattern for last month. It's the Welcome Fall wall hanging pattern. There was a typo on the inner and outer border width. Correct it to say 2 1/4 inch instead of 2. Okay. Also in November, they're going to be doing weekly videos for quick and easy Christmas projects, which will be a great way to use up your fabric stash. So, and then they would also like you to share your projects at the Creative Notions group on Facebook. All right. And there's a couple other things, and I'll read that in just a minute. Let's get started. This month's pattern is the kitchen set. You get an apron, the mitt, and the pot holder. And it comes very nice colored pattern, and it comes with a bunch of templates for these. So that's very nice, very cute. I probably won't make this apron because I don't like those on my neck, but I have a different pattern that I can kind of make it work with this. I like this idea. That's really cute. Real farmhouse kind of. So that's cute. Also, the fabric, we got 8 back quarters to go with that, and it's really cute, all kitchen themed. Here's the stove, and nice stripes, very nice. Got to fold them back up, Ooh, this one's really pretty. Very pretty. This is all kind of like faded glory type fabric. It's got that faded look. A nice gray with polka dots. And then this one's really cute. And here's like a bandana. Very cute. I like that. But I like bandanas. I wear them. And here's a nice background type with words on it. Kind of a cream color. I'm looking at, you guys aren't going to believe it, but 2 spiders up on my wall or my ceiling. I gotta get them. I'm gonna get the vacuum cleaner out. This one's really cute. You know how I feel about spiders. So, really nice. $24. And then we got 3/4 of a yard for the backing. And it's that striped fabric. And that is $8. Very nice. Really like this fabric this month. And then we got some twill tape. It's 100% cotton and 6 yards. It's 1 inch. And you may have noticed it's the straps in your apron. And then we got, let's see, did I tell you how much that? $10 for this. And then we got some Insel Bright. And we got a 1/2 yard of this. And you'll use this in your project. And it'll, it's got like a tinfoil inside of it, in between the layers here. And that helps prevent you getting burnt when you use your oven mitts and your hot pads. So that's really nice. But you can't put this in the microwave, so don't do that. Alright, so there's those things. Then we got a bias tape maker. It's a 2-inch double fold, not bias, binding tool. And it has all the instructions on how to use that. And it looks like this. And then that's where you slide your fabric in. And when it comes out this end, it's already folded for you. Now, it does say on here, don't touch this with your hot iron because it'll melt. So don't do that. You use 2-inch fabric strips to create a 1/2 inch double fold strip in 1 step. I've never used one of these, so I look forward to that. It's nice. We got a piece of candy too. Butterscotch, my favorite. There's that. Did I show you the bag? Very cute gingham gray. Alright, we also got a really cute recipe card box. But you can use this, she says, for other things. So let me read you what it says about the recipe box. In keeping with the kitchen fabric theme, we have made a recipe card box that will hold the recipes that you've been receiving this year. And you also are receiving blank cards with dividers. So that the box would fit in the bag, they made it foldable. There are instructions on how to put it together. We are aware food is not everyone's passion, and this is a quilty box. So the box can also be used for journal cards or note keeping in your sewing room. as we focused on the design on handmade rather than food. So there you go. Well, I'm using it for my recipe cards, but she's right, you could use it for other things. So I already put it together. There's the top. There's the side. Isn't that cute? Very cute. And it opens like this. Really easy to put together. And here the cards are. And they're really cute too. The dividers are all decorated. And then each set, there's a set of each different colors. These are purple. And then we got some blue ones. The thing about these cards are they don't have they don't say recipe on them and, you know, have those spots for you to write stuff on. They're just pretty blank, so you could use them for other things. Nice yellow. Each one of the dividers are different. There's a red and then a green. Very cute. All right, I think that was it. We also got, put those back in there. Really cute box. But I'm a box person, so cute box person. Here's the recipe that we got. And this was from Angela Stoutinger. Good job, Angela. Looks good. I'm going to have to make that. Yum. All right. The other thing is we received our 2 patterns for the Dottie Sampler Quilt Block of the Month. This one is the Sawtooth Star. And I will be doing this one for you guys first part of November. So the first 2 weeks of November, that one will be out. And then the next one is a log cabin. And Vicki at Creative Notions will be doing that one the last part of November. Okay, what do you guys think? The total value of this box is $64.50. They didn't include the patterns in the block of the month this month in the value. However, if you include those in the value, the total value of this box would be $79.50. So you're getting $31.50. Yeah. So good value, really cute stuff. I appreciate all the attention to detail that they do, and I look forward to making the project. What do you guys think? Do you get the box or package? Let me know down in the comments. Be sure and give me a thumbs up because remember, I've tried this video 6 times. I need a thumbs up. All right, get out there and go make something. Bye for now.